What's up, people? How are you doing? Guess what? I'm back. Alright, so we're going to go through some commission and fee part 2 today. I'm going to do a few more problems out of your book. So if you got the little Marlin, go ahead and get him out. There he is. So bring him out. And let's go back down here to page 80 and 1. We're going to do a few of these, alright? Page 80 and 1. I've got a good song in the background here. Alright, but we'll play a little more of that later. If you know that, of course, you can send it to me. Got it. That song got a good beat. Alright, so in the first question on page 81, here's where we are. Page 81. You ready? Alright, it says Anna sells computer software and makes an annual salary of $50,000. So you know she's going to make $50,000 annually. She also gets plus 6.5% commission on her total sales. If she sells $3 million in computer software, how much does she make? Alright, so she's selling $3 million. $3 million, man. Can you imagine having $3 million? I can imagine it. Okay. $3 million in sales. Now, of course, when Anna sells that $3 million worth of stuff on the computer software, she does not get to keep all $3 million. She only gets to keep 6.5%. So we're going to go ahead and change that to the decimal. Okay, like that. 0.065 is that. Alright, so let me just go ahead and today I'm going to use my other calculator. I think I used the blue one in the last video, so we'll switch over to this one so you can see a little bit better. I like this fancy screen. 3 million times she only gets to keep 0.065 of it, which, oh, did I put that in right? Is that 3 million? 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, I think I might put that in wrong. 3 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 0.065. Is that right? She's gonna make $195,000 off of that? Holy cow. I don't believe that's right. I'm gonna check that again. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $3 million times 0.065. I'll be darned. Making $195,000 off that stuff. Okay. So she, how much, it says how much does she make? Okay, so she's gonna make the $50,000. Plus she's gonna make the $195,000 that she's gonna get from selling the stuff. And if you add that up, of course, that's fine. That's $245,000. Make sure you put the 0 zeros on the end like that. Okay. So again, this is the commission. That's how much she makes from selling the stuff at the software place. This would be how much she makes total. So this is her total earnings for the year. Alright, so there's one. I need that job, y'all. $245,000 a year. I can do it. Alright, next one is about Dirk. Let's see what it says about Dirk. Alright, it says Dirk is a broker. He earns $41,000 annually. He gets 3.5% on his clients' investments of $2.4 million. He gets a fee of $525 on each transaction. If Dirk processes 1,250 online transactions, what are his annual earnings? Alright, so we got about 3 different little things we're going to be doing for this one. So let's break this down for Dirk. Alright, you ready? So Dirk is going to make straight up $41,000. We know that. Alright, we know he's getting that every year. Now let's do the commissions he's going to make here. And we'll do the fee money he's going to make over here. Okay? So it says his commission is 3.5% on his client's investments of $2.4 million. So that's 2,400,000 times, and we'll go ahead and change that to my decimal, 0.035. Okay? So that's 2.4 million right there. That's 2,400,000, and all I did was change that percentage to my decimal there, 0.035. So let's go ahead and calculate that up and see how much he's going to make off of that. This might be another number that blows my mind. All right, 2,400,000. 2,400,000 times 0.035. So how much is he going to make off of that? He's making $84,000 off of that, people. Yowza! All right. And then let's do the fee part. Okay, it says he makes $5.25 off of each transaction. And it says last year he processed 1,250 of the transactions, so you got to multiply that by the $5.25. All right, so let's see how much he made off the fees on that. 1,250 times $5.25. So he's making $6,562.50 off the transaction fees. All right, and then of course it says what are his annual earnings, where we're going to add all three of these together. Okay, base salary, commission, fees. So of course we come down here and do 41,000 plus the 84,000 plus the 6,562.50. Okay, on these other ones, of course, you just add your decimal 0, 0, because there's no cents on those. Okay. And let's pull the old trusty calculator over here. 41 grand plus 84 grand plus the $6,562.50. All right, altogether that means Dirk is going to make $131,562.50. So that's $131,562.50 total. Okay. All right. What time we got? Oh yeah, we probably got time to do you another one. All right. So there's number 2. Get your commission there. Get your fee there. Add the fees, the commission, and his annual salary all together. All right, number 3 here, staying on the same page. We're going to do, looks like Brenton is a phone sales specialist who makes $33,000 per year plus $8 fee for each sale he makes. If Brenton makes 15 sales per week, what are his annual earnings? All right, so we got the sales. He's making $8 off each one of those sales. That's easy enough. Okay, that's a simple one. So we know he's making $33,000 per year, plus he's going to make $8 off each one of these sales. Okay. Now we just got to figure out that number. Okay. It says he makes 15 sales per week, right? There are 52 weeks in a year. He's making 15 sales per week. Okay, 52 weeks per year, right? So if he's doing 52 weeks and he's making 15 sales per week, so 52 weeks in a year, he's making an average of 15 sales per week. That there is 780 sales. And then he gets $8 for each one of those, so that is $8 times the 780 times $8. That means he's making $6,240. Okay, 6,240 off of that. 6,240. You know he's already making a base salary of $33,000. So we just got to add those together to get his total. So I'll just take that and add 33,000 to that. 39,240. No cents. Okay, so I'll just run through that one more time. He's selling 15 of those sales per week. There are 52 weeks in a year, so I just multiplied those together. Got me 780 sales for the year. He makes $8 off each one of those. So you just do 780 times 8, That got me to $6,240 for that. Then you know from the beginning of the problem, he's making $33,000 per year. Just add them up. Okay, let's see if we can pick one more of these out over here somewhere. All right, let's come over here to Takira. Not Shakira, but Takira. Says she's an appointment setter for a sales organization. She makes $12 an hour plus $3 fee for each appointment that is scheduled. This week she worked 40 hours and scheduled 31 appointments. What are the total earnings for the week? All right, so this is page 83. This is number 17. She makes $12 an hour, $3 fee for each appointment she schedules. This week she worked 40 hours and scheduled 31 appointments. What are her total earnings for the week? All right, so again, this is number 17, and we're on page 83. All right, so she makes $12 an hour. It says she worked 40 hours, so you got to do 12 times 40. Plus, she's getting $3 for every one of the appointments she scheduled, and she scheduled 31 appointments. So, what are her total earnings with fees for the week? So 12 times 40, we'll start with that. $12 times 40, $480 for that. Over here, 3 times 31. Well, that's easy enough. I don't even need a calculator for that. That's $93. And you add those up. 480 plus 93. 480 plus 93. Ding! $573. Now make sure again, put those 0 zeros on there for no cents. All right. I believe that'll be enough on this one for you folks today. Hopefully that helps you out some more. If you want it, you see it, you get it, you got it. You know what I mean. If you know this song and the artist, feel free to send it. Email it to me. Don't forget you need to also send me something else. Here's what I need and I want. Alright. I need it. I want it. I better get it. Your work. Send me your work pictures. Send them right now. If you don't send me work, you're a big fat cow. Alright. Send me your work pics, baby. Remember, no work equals no credit. I was a poet and I didn't know it. Send me your work, say it, send it right now. If you don't send it, you're a big fat cow. Peace out. I'll see you later. If I don't get to, you're an alligator.